Ever pondered on the potential goldmine in building websites? Well, it's time to delve into this exciting world of opportunities, where creation meets monetization. Imagine this. Your creativity, combined with strategic monetization, not only brings ideas to life but also fills your pockets. Sounds enticing, doesn't it? Today we're exploring the step-by-step process of building a website and turning it into a money-making machine. Step 1. Choose your niche. A website without a clear focus is like a ship without a compass. It's crucial to identify the unique angle that will set your website apart. Be it travel, fashion, tech, or even underwater basket weaving, there's an audience for everything. Step 2. Acquire a domain name and hosting. The domain name is your website's address, while the hosting is its home. Numerous providers offer affordable options, so choose one that fits your budget and needs. Step 3. Design your website. This is where your creativity shines. Use platforms like WordPress, Wix, or Squarespace to craft your website. Remember, it's not just about aesthetics. User experience plays a pivotal role too. Step 4. Create content. Content is king. It's what draws people to your website. Whether it's blog posts, videos, or podcasts, ensure it's high quality, engaging, and consistent. Step 5. Optimize for search engines. SEO is your website's best friend. It improves your ranking on search engines, thereby increasing visibility and traffic. Use keywords, meta descriptions, and backlinks strategically. The final step, monetize. There are several ways to do this. Advertising is the most common. Sign up for programs like Google AdSense. Affiliate marketing is another option. Promote products or services and earn a commission. Selling products, whether physical or digital, or offering premium content for a subscription fee, are also lucrative options. So to summarize, 1. Choose a specific niche for your website. 2. Get a domain name and hosting. 3. Design an appealing and user-friendly website. 4. Create engaging content regularly. 5. Optimize your website for search engines. And finally, monetize your website through advertising, affiliate marketing, selling products, or offering premium content. Remember, building a website and monetizing it isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires time, effort, and patience. But with consistency and dedication, it can become a profitable venture. So, put on your creative hats, give your ideas a virtual home, and watch as they turn into a steady stream of income. And who knows? You might just create the next big thing on the internet.